Hello guys. Are you having trouble with game chat not working on your Xbox? Whether your friends can't hear you or you can't hear them, I've got you covered. Let's go through the steps to fix it and get you back in the conversation. Step 1. Check your microphone and headset. First, make sure your headset and microphone are working properly. Unplug your headset from the controller and plug it back in securely. Test your headset on another device to see if the microphone works. If your headset has a mute button, make sure it's not activated. Try using a different headset if available. Step 2. Check Xbox controller updates. Navigate to Settings, Devices and Connections, Accessories, and check if your controller needs a firmware update. It will take few minutes, so we need to wait to completed. Once update was completed, we are ready to check the game chat again. Step 3. Check party and in-game chat settings. If you're using a party chat, game chat might be disabled by default. Open the Xbox guide and go to Parties and Chats. Make sure your microphone icon isn't muted. If you're in a party, switch to game chat by selecting Switch to Game Chat in the party menu. In the game settings, ensure voice chat is enabled and set to the correct channel, party or game. And that's it. Following these steps should help you fix game chat issues on your Xbox.